Iram now makaning mila zanghau the remitwid shabshitwena hang miauge. This morning meditation is based on the well-known story of Jesus and the line that has become familiar to us, his answer. Render unto Caesar what is Caesar's, unto God what is God. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and give to God what belongs to God. This was in the context of the Pharisees, some Pharisees and Herodians, trying to entrap him with this trick question. Is it lawful to pay tax to Caesar or not? The text in question that they are asking is a very particular text. It is what is known as the census text. During those days, the people in Palestine, the Jews, they paid many taxes. But this one was particularly painful to the Jews because it reminded them that they are under the Roman rule. So when you pay this tax, basically they are saying that I am servant of the Roman Empire. I am being ruled over by the Roman Empire. So there's a little bit of humiliation involved when this tax is paid. And needless to say, this tax was not happily paid by the Jews. So the question was put to Jesus, is it lawful to pay this tax or not? And there were people around them when this question was asked. Now, if Jesus says, yes, it is lawful, then he will be alienating the Jews from him. Because the Jews, they don't like to pay this tax. So if Jesus says, okay, pay tax to Caesar, then the people will go away from Jesus. On the other hand, if Jesus says, no, it is not lawful to pay this tax, then that is seditious in the sense that the Roman government can arrest him for not paying tax or inciting people not to pay tax. So he was apparently in a situation in which he cannot escape. If he says yes, it is bad. If he says no, it is equally bad. And so he asked his questioners, give me a coin that you pay as tax. And they gave him a coin, and he said, whose image is it? On the coin, there is image of Caesar the king. Jesus asked, whose image is it? They say, Caesar's. And the classic answer of Jesus that has become well known to us, give to Caesar what is Caesar's, and to God what is God. Now, people who are listening there, immediately they would have connected that sentence of Jesus to the Genesis creation story. Genesis chapter 1, verse 26, wherein God said, let us make human beings in our image. So Jesus is asking, whose image is it in the coin? The moment Jesus asked that, they would have immediately connected Jesus' question to the Genesis creation stories. We all are created in the image of God. Yes, in the coin you have the image or picture of Caesar the king, but even Caesar the king is made in the image of God. That means God has claimed over Caesar. God has put his stamp over Caesar. Caesar belongs to God. Ultimately, everything in this world belongs to God. And so when Jesus says, give to Caesar the things that are Caesar and to God the things that are God, he is not dividing the world into two, saying that there is a worldly part, you do your worldly part, and there's a spiritual part, you do your spiritual part. No, Jesus is in a very enigmatic way saying that everything belongs to God. Is there anything in this world that doesn't belong to God? Everything belongs to God. So give to God what is God's, and everything will fall into place. God first, and other things will fall into place. Caesar, ourselves, who are gathered here this morning, God has stamped His image on each one of us. We belong to God. And therein lies our value. You see, you are valuable not because you have a lot of money. You are valuable not because you have a good job. You are valuable not because you are talented. You are valuable because God has stamped His image on you and me. And so God, Jesus, through that answer, is saying that everything belongs to me, even Caesar, the king. If you realize that, then everything in your life will fall into place. Chishuli makapa makamshung pen kawai. Pharisee aina Herod we mi bing na ali kashina we maramli rang hane. Ojana kamshung amine. Rimetwida ali chishuli soga kning tu hirang jine. Ojana kamshung amine vere we shongfu mshung lak aina tamjitaye mi mai mayang mane kare katiao makai mane. Teri lakaina ali chishuli sokning. Sokning we marambawa. Rida hitada sokning laga ali tukke gijinewo. Ali paying a pork na sake, court job li tasang sake jine. Itum na shalakai karjan aka awayiwe karjan yang. Hangka hina sahi shai wigada kamorli matam laka tingrong atungli bu da kline pam da kline ahi sahi shawujini jaina azingli ramfu hina yangka jaina saji shangai lagaw katha da saji khuisikla da ana hida da plana ka sheme hangkha jili ana masote sokninge ya nawe azakam thajang nawe azakam tha da nawe khon lam thad le jang la sa ga na tha la khon lam thad le krok lam thad le jang da sokning jena hangkha ba jena lang son aw da la sa ga da khmor ma ka jena awe sa je ta tung awe la ga awe sa ta tung ga ji ram fu ji na sa awe yang sokning le ka so ba je le shi da ka so mning la ka awe na kya ka khui ge awe na kya ka tai za ge da sok rek na ji ta khame na ji shuli la Pharisee we ka thana kai ka Herodian mi kai na ra la ka so rek ji ne yang ali to khui ge da khalen li sang ge da yan atum na question kang han bawa Caesar li kashina kami hi mashung la ain la ge ji ne Jishuwe adam li kashina hi kui ga zala ka ya tuipong ne kiban kashina ma mingai na achura sung itum la kashina hi mingai lag ma jim ne jang ka tha de masak pai wai na khamin da Jishuwe adam li kashina hi breshim we kashina la lesai ngalei we kashina la lesai nana what kalo we kashina la lesai Arui kashina handa klay bahia Caesar au ngali mida klaya kashina we maram kang hanne ngalaya yu ngalainda kisawra kashina mige vereshim je ijile khorom da klainda kashina mige in a wordlo da klayjia in a shai kwai shijin bai lo da klainda kashina mige ka arui hang handa klay Caesar li kashina ji hi chot la kai Kiwang lo jika Caesar li kashana mi de klehi kuma klemi avu na lupa shakni shaktum shuka mi de klene atam jale jile ka chamna mi chung hau ge chot la khaya aman ne shakni shaktum hila ka kashana kami hi ka ta da mi lo jika I thum Caesar we rauni de kminda Jehudi bingli Rom na mung de klenda jena na mung de klei Caesar hi yu awangane Jehudi thum hi Raune, 个钱呢我，钱呢买是拉开呢，米的可来呀，卡西那阿克呢，就往外呢，希巴那么明爱么呢，个了继续呢，卡西那我们这里，个了个啥的。Vereshim proho shim jiling handak lain hijang ayar jili jenmi ke chung ke kharjaning na dak lain Jishu Krishna kashina milo jega Jehudi now being he Jishu limring palu hijin Katha de Jehudi now akana miwa zingli lay the kashina migida Jishu aina awisak tung sana being he yam how hijin La ka song Jishu na mamilo jeheka Pharisee being Herodian being hina, Sokarli, Jishuli, Hang Penau, Anahang the Kashana Mamilu, the Hangi, Taga Jishuli, Rome is Sokarna to Kuyaujin. He hung la Awivang the Suklay. He wag hung la Jishuivang Takanurley. Kata the Kihangusi. Jishuna Atumui Kayarek, Kangarekji, Matalakanate, Atumna. Sakning jite jena ana atumli paisa natun mi da shanda klei kashina sanda klei paisa ili jitelu da jena atumna ali paisa aka jite jeni chun hange paisa jili kibao amuzang da le kala ki ka bi sangai da le kla ka jini ji hang leo la ka aling han da klei bi bing hi atum hi chot khai ni Kiwang le jeka. Paisa jili amuzang dak lehi Caesar Tiberius ko chatam le Tiberius na musa jini. Awe amuzang dak lehi. Jena jili kapi sangai dak lehi tuijia Caesar Tiberius proho varewi naumera. Da sangai dak lehi de. Kaklat bawa Caesar hi vrurani da hang dak lehi. Awungamam nimne vrurani da hang dak lehi. Laga atum na pesa sing dak leji vere proho shim jilia masing ran jinda kaji bawa je hudi we ayin tam gisa tishuda proho we shimlia proho na kami ning kami kani kre kani natum proho mangli korum prungra ka kaneli natum miwi sayurwi azak meshem khui bai ne Chỉ thấy cái atum na pro simli pesa sing dak leji ain khini chi kai kai de. Cái chỉ bảo Caesar li la pro ho ta khoru mau la. Pesa ji li zang la. Yang Caesar pro ho we now. Ta sang la ta ka pro ho ni da hang kai le yang. Ka khne li Caesar azak chi Jehudio ain li ma mi a ji ne. Mi wa azak hi atum ma ye kan sak ji ne. Jena ain khini kai kai na atum mi. Jishuna atumli natum hi kai da legi ji indirectly atumli hang ji thai ji ne ka jishuna atumli ji da da hang sai ji awe khare awe kapning maning mane jishuna atumli ji khe hang la ji kha Caesar jimilo vrurali jimilo ka ji we kalhat pawa Oga thui ka tong ka hi apuka pa ka sai ko ri hi privrawi ne kajine kaja la kapi ka sang muku da mati tuiza aka oga thui kala chiwe alungli pemting ka hai apuk apaga kala chiwe alungli khalai prohowi seri prohowi maning ki malai mani ok thui li paisa jila prohowi ne Paisa wijili amuzang da klay aunganay Brivrani da rek sarek da klay Caesar jila Brivrawi azingli lay da klay ni Brivrawi mohor sakrin na mikhay ni Atum na paisa ji yang leo laga Jishu Krista na ali atum li hi kibawi amulag ji atum wang hi kibawi sakrin gala kaji shada klenda Amu mujil jang kibawi sakrin gala Sagrin jaega Genesis akum aka mikumo le ka shemai karjan ji pningung dak lenda mikumo sai ko ri proho we sagrin khuila ka shemai ji thai ka brurana mikumo ka tong khale aw sagrin sang haw ge da he iwine the he katong he iwine you azing de lei gi mohor he nami ka haini Monday to Saturday he ok thu iwang Sunday he proho iwang gi malai mane Monday to Sunday he proho iwang ni proho we mohor nam ka haini proho na makrer mamung da kale apam atam malai lak manai gi hi Jishu Kristana atumli ka hangane iwi azingli lei sere gi ni itum mikumo psycho hi proho sa green khuida shamikai aton dang itum kitam naw long we khang rewli la Vivek Nagar wena tang wena ni je ka Vivek Nagar we uniform sangdala Vivek Nagar thailaga Ijipura we ne je ka Ijipura we uniform sanglaga Ijipura thada sangdala Kamana hali we ne je ka kamana hali uniform sanglaga kamana hali we aming thala sangdala Ji yang laka o hi kamana hali we ne hi Ijipura we ne hi Vivek Nagar mi je thai shapchidla ti da sada itum mi kumo sai ko rilla vrana no tum hi iwe ne gi mohori nam kai ne jan mi yang rajan o hi bing hi vrira will mu gi hi thai jine sarkar la awngala vrira we azingli kalaine sarkar hi na itum vrira sarkar azingla la hauga da sarkar hi na mathadak satham tranjili itum ka tom prungre ka sarkar hi na ngwe hai ka itum ngarar phungre chansam sa da notice nauli hili shaumi ha chipar me ai sarkar na khik masa ka protest satala police we officially wala ka mamshung tra da hangdala ya chi itum wat ne sarkar hi la briwawe azingli khlaine sarkar na mashunga ka itum tomra sarkar na mamshung ka itum na atum le khigla khet ki jine itum ka tong hi briwawe sakrin khuila ka ring da khlai mi ne mai kala kaina mathala kaina ringlo Tangkhul ke chon sang la ka zamangzat lizat sijija as Tangkhul mai hi yor zaire da hang rajang khiwang da jika mi ba ji Tangkhul ke chon sang la ka ma ka phasa za daw ke da mi ji ba ji na Tangkhul chi pa da hang ra itum ka tong ke briwa we sakrin jika briwa ke chon sang la ka zatak lai de chi wa ni itum na ngui da sak leu da itum na lang leu la ka briwali ke chi pa thi ra da kleine briwali sakrin phongzat hauge da itum mathada khaya ka da muka pha makhaya hi masala okthui da kale hi darka sarak da kleine nawi amanji nawi aman ga sakhi na paisa kya khle khle ke jan kharamaning mane nawi aman ga sakhi nawi lupam krik hakla ke jan kharamaning mane nawi aman ga sakhi na wat krik hakla ke jan kharamaning mane nawi aman ga sakhi na talent kya khle kla na la sa thaila football raw thaila ke jan kharamaning mane kha na iwe aman ga sakhi vrana awe sakrin mohor nammi kai we bang itum amanji ga sakne Chiwi wangina itum hi aman ma pai mane itum li brivrana aman hi mi khaine brivrana chi mam lai lak mane itum li paningun sak shone achula arwing tor hila itum li na hi aman ga sak mi kho ge hi chi thai gawai apong hi an awe khong perli itum li horalak hang chi thai ge da lai tak laine iwi ashi iwe asali aka sakrum jaina nahi iwe mohor singda klei yaron ngala kho tangkhul naw kho o kutili klei hi chot lake itumai mi kumo pangsha paina zata klei hi ma pai mane ka briwrawi lukumashan legacy pangshap singa ka briwrawi sakrinji itumna khangshape Migumo pangshap mangai na vreu sakrin hi itum nama pangshap ane lari katamba jinala breurana mi ka hai kuing to ji kaya ka amang na si jinge ji sala la breurana mang jon mi ka manga mo wa mane paisa ka singa ba jinala breurama jang ka re mane Jana itum leave the rana sakrin mikai kala tel jiwa long le talen mikai hi. Rawi pang shap kwigi jay ka itum are kongper hilira laka ana so mige pang shap mige iwi sakrinji singkwi laka ringpada mtada ringlo. Monday to Saturday he ogutui wang the kring maning haila. Kala Sunday mang he pro iwi wang the kring maning haila. Ka atam he hogopok aina katangain dang the pro wi wang the chikadai. Iwi watsa dila hogopok aina katangain dang the pro wi wang the chikata hai mirin he ringlo. Chikata mirin kring he mapai mane. Priurawi lukumashan pangshap mazanga ka marermane. Jiwang Vrana aritum Hodakli, Iwi Kongporli Ralu, Pangshap Quilu, Iwi Sakrin Pongdaklenatum, Iwi Asa, Ashiling Rumlu, Sokumi Quilu, Jihi, Jisho Christana, Ari, Matoi Atamili, Itumli, Somi Hwai, Hodaklene, Itum Ralaka, Awe Kongporli, Narumse. Amen.